Hello, as you can see, I'm shaking these different flavors of e-liquids. Well, today we will be reviewing 8 flavors. Wow, 8 flavors which came from Elements e-liquid. Okay, so like what I've said earlier, no, we will be reviewing 8 flavors, and I hope I can describe lahat, no, kasi ang dami. And so first flavor that we will be reviewing is the Elements Love. Elements Love is a strawberry apple flavor, and it has no color, and it is in 6 milligrams, I think. A few drops. By the way, I will be using Pisces Mini 14500 battery mod with my ever reliable Revolution version 1, and the resistance is 1 ohm, and this is how the Elements Love flavor vapes. So the Love flavor is strawberry apple flavor, definitely. Well, more evident yung kanyang apple, followed up by the flavor of the strawberry, no? Now the aroma, it has a very sweet aroma, and also it is on the sweet side. Now for the vapor production, it is very good. Throat hit is almost none. Well, I don't know if this is mislabeled, no? Pero it has this marker on the label na it has a nick, no? Well, I understand. Well, I think the Elements e-juice only has a 0 nick and low nick e-liquids. Well, what I have right now is low nick, which is I think 6 milligrams, but there is almost no throat hit for me. Yep, very mild ang kanyang throat hit. So that is the Love flavor from Elements. So the second flavor is the Metal, which is a Texas bubblegum. So this is how it vapes. Very strong. That's excuse me, Texas bubblegum. Well, if you've already tasted the Texas bubblegum, it is similar to the said bubblegum, except that this is it has a very strong flavor. Unlike other bubble gums that I've tried, which is a little bit mild, this one is on the extreme side of the Texas bubble gum. Now, yung feeling ko sa metal is that feeling that yung first time na sinubo mo yung Mentos na matapang in dating, ganun. Yung first few seconds of that Mentos candy sa yung mouth, ganon yung effect niya, no? That's the Texas bubblegum, or rather the metal. Well, the throat hit is a little bit, it has this very mild throat hit, well, because it is being overpowered by the the extreme flavor of the Texas bubblegum. Vapor production is good for the metal flavor of the elements. So we'll go on to the third flavor. Okay, so the third flavor is water, which is watermelon. Low nic again, few drops, and a few tooths. Wow, watermelon. Well, it is a watermelon, but it is a mentholated watermelon, and in fact the flavor is, I don't know, is very well I mean the combination of the watermelon and the menthol flavor is very good, no? One more tooth. And you can actually taste the watermelon with the lingering sensation of parang freshness, no? Coming from the menthol flavor. And also it is a little bit sweet, which is good. It complements the whole flavor, no? Well, throat hit again is mild, and vapor production is good for the watermelon. Well, definitely it will be one of my favorites among the 8. So that is the water flavor from Elements. Now the fourth flavor is the earth flavor with a low nic, and it has this yellowish color. Few drops, and here's how it tastes. Very good. Excuse me. Well, the earth color is a tobacco flavor, no? And as soon as I vape the earth flavor, it really is, for me, no, maybe one of the best tasting local tobacco flavor that I've tasted, no? Well, There's it has this tobacco essence uh, flavor, and it has this good aroma. And after that, there is this aftertaste of, I don't know if that is uh, some kind of nut, no? Or what kind of nut is that? I don't know. Pero this is really very good flavor, no? The earth flavor of the elements. One more two. Really very good. I like the sweetness also, no? It is on the sweet side, and I like that aftertaste. I just can't describe this aftertaste. Anyway, so throat hit is also mild, and flavor production is very good, and flavor is very good, and that is the earth flavor from elements. The fifth flavor is the wind, and it is also in low neck, and it has a very clear color, has no color rather. So this is how the wind would taste like. Hmm. So the wind is a citrus flavor. Well, actually, it is more like a candy flavor, no? And it has menthol. It is very refreshing, as always, just like the water flavor. And I really like the flavor of the wind also. At at first, when I tried this one, it tastes like um, I really can't remember that candy. Anyway, it is also on the sweet side, and hindi siya ganun kaasim, no? Hindi siya, kasi I've tried some of these citrus flavors which for me it tasted like ano parang ascorbic acid or some kind of vitamin C tablet that yung nalalasahan mo yung asim yan. With this one, with the wind flavor of the elements, uh, it is more of a candy flavor, no? Which is very good. Now for the throat hit is also mild or almost mild, and vapor production is very good. Now the sixth flavor is the magic flavor. The aroma is good with this magic flavor. Now, by the way, this is the only flavor that has no description sa label, no? So I don't know kung anong flavor ito. We'll try it out. Well, actually, it smells I can smell the banana sa kanyang aroma, no? Anyway, this is how it tastes. Yes, it's a banana flavor. It has mint, a touch of strawberry, and it is very sweet. So that is the flavor of the magic. The more I vape it, no, the more enhanced the mint flavor becomes, no. Well, actually, it's turning out like menthol flavor for me. Kanina kasi medyo mild yung menthol, no? So I thought it was mint flavor. Anyway, so yun ang nalasahan ko, no, sa magic flavor ng Elements. Now, throat hit is again mild and vapor production is good. So the seventh flavor is the Spirit, which is a fruit cocktail flavor. This is how the Spirit flavor will taste like. Last one. So that is the Spirit, no? Well, actually the taste is a little bit weird for me. It has this strong menthol flavor, no? And it tastes more like sagot gulaman. And maybe it has this touch of strawberry and some vanilla. Well, actually the menthol flavor overpowers the rest of the flavors which are in this mixture, no? So it is on an slightly extreme menthol side. It is also sweet. The only fruit na nalasahan ko is the strawberry, which is very 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 mild. More like parang aftertaste na lang siya, no? Well, the menthol flavor is really very strong para sa akin, no? And it tastes like sagot gulaman actually. Pero it is a good flavor. It is kind of different, or maybe because I am looking for the fruit cocktail flavor, which I did not see in this Spirit flavor. So throat hit again is mild and vapor production is good, and I don't know if the red color is just a food coloring, no? But anyway, it is a mentholated flavor, and that is a Spirit flavor from Elements. So last but not the least, the Fire, which is an extreme menthol, also in low nic. So if you can see, no, the liquid is kind of orangey, and there's this yellow tint on the bottle. So definitely this one has food coloring. I don't know why. So we'll put in a few drops, and this is how it vapes. A little bit more. Wow. The menthol is really very strong, this one. And for the flavor, aside from the fact that it has this very strong menthol flavor, I can taste this sort of banana, very slight touch of banana and maybe vanilla, and it tastes the same as the spirit, which is like para rin siyang sagot gulaman, pero the sagot gulaman flavor is very subtle or very light. It's actually parang aftertaste na lang yung makukuha mo sa kanya, no? Unlike this one, which is extreme siya, pero hindi overpowering yung kanyang menthol. With this one, no, there is this lingering taste na. So aftertaste. So after vaping this extreme menthol flavor, no, it will be complemented by this sweet and I don't know if it is fruity, no, pero I can really taste the banana and this vanilla flavor. So that is the fire. Now throat hit is mild also, and vapor production is good. And the menthol is very extreme. So those are the 8 flavors of the Elements e-juice, no? Or e-liquids, no? Now if you're going to ask me which one will be my favorite, definitely the earth tobacco flavor. Well, maybe because I'm a tobacco lover. And if we will rank the 8 flavors, well, the first one definitely is the earth flavor, this one. The second will be the spirit flavor, the fruit cocktail with a little bit of menthol, and the magic, the third one. And the fourth one for me is the wind, which is the citrus flavor. Now the fifth one is love, which is the strawberry apple. Now the sixth is water, the watermelon. And the seventh is the fire, which is the extreme menthol. Well, I'm not really into menthol flavors, no? Now the eighth or the last one may be the metal or the extreme bubblegum. So those are the flavors again of Elements. Now if you want to try out, or if you have any questions about these flavors, you can contact the Elements flavor. Well, they have this Facebook page, no? I will put the link on this video, no? And definitely these Elements can be found on your sa inyong mga tindahan, no? Well, actually I think this came from the East, so definitely East shops, maybe the East, most of the East shops will be carrying this Elements flavor. Now for the quality of the e-liquid, the quality is what can I say about that? The quality is good, and the flavor selections are also good, but the nicotine content is not satisfying for me. Well, they only have 2 selections for the nicotine, no? The zero and the nic, or rather the nic. which is Alonic, which I think Alonic is 6 milligram nicotine, but definitely I think that is not a 6 milligram nicotine ratio. So maybe Elements will take a look at that, and that's it. Again, this is Prince Rivera, aka The Great of Pinay Vapors Forum, and keep on vaping and have a good day.